Are you tired of not being able to add clickable links to your Smartsheet cells? Learn to hyperlink in under 1 minute. First, navigate to your sheet, then right-click the cell and follow 3 simple steps to create a hyperlink. First, navigate to your Smartsheet homepage. Then, open the specific sheet you want to work with. Right-click the cell you'd like to hyperlink. Now, click Hyperlink from the context menu. Enter the URL you want to link to in the dialog. Click OK, and your hyperlink is ready. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.